Hi everyone, welcome to YourPedia. This is Chandrasekhar, Faculty of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at YourPedia. Here I am with one of the very good news, that is MahaTransco announced its notification for almost 419 electrical posts in assistant engineer category and 9 posts for EC candidates of same post, that is assistant engineer. Post is same but the department is different, that is electronics and telecommunication, or simply it is called as telecommunication. See, this is the official notification. Here it is mentioned there are 419 posts for electrical branch and the job is assistant engineer. Yes, and here for electronic guys 9 posts for ECE and the same designation, that is assistant engineer. Come on electrical guys, one of the wonderful opportunity for you. So in this video I'm going to discuss the general preparation strategy and how many questions will begin, how many marks for each question, total number of marks. These things I'm going to discuss. This is the official notification of MahaTransco. This is taken from official website of MahaTransco, right? And after this one, the education qualification, as all of you know, as it is for assistant engineer post, the requirement is BTech in electrical. In electrical and electronics engineering, one must have BTech or B, BTech or B. This is the education qualification. For EC candidates, same Bachelor of Technology or Bachelor of Engineering in electronics and telecommunication, or that fellow mentioned, see, Bachelor of Technology in electronics and telecommunication. Okay, see, assistant engineer for electrical, the designation is transmission. For electronics it is telecommunication. For electronics it is telecommunication, right? The age limit is, yes, the age limit is he mentioned for yes, for open category it is 38 years, for 38 years, and it is for different categories. For SE, BC, EWs and orphan candidates applying for reserved vacancy is relaxable up to 43 years, and upper age limit for the persons with the disability, Divyang, applying for reserved vacancy is relaxable up to 45 years. Okay, so sports category and all these things are mentioned very clearly. You can go through it. The upper age limit for departmental candidates only MSE TCL employees is 57 years, right? So that is about age limit. Okay, the next thing what we have to discuss mainly is mainly is, I can say, about the question paper, how question paper is coming, how the question paper is coming. If you see the written test online, so the mode of selection will be written test online, will be of objective type and the test structure shall be as under. Yes, he's saying test of professional knowledge. It means from our electrical or electronic paper, electronic subjects. See, for EE, the syllabus I am going to discuss, what are the subjects you have to prepare. So from the electrical subjects, yes, that fellow is going to give 50 questions, number of questions are 50, and the total number of marks are 110. Each question is more than 2 marks, I can say 2.2 marks, right? So each question is of more than 2 marks, 50 questions. You know, questions are damn easy. From which subjects I analyzed your previous papers, then I'm going to tell you here from which subjects most of the questions came and what are the total subjects you have to prepare. Those things I'm going to discuss. Okay, and you see the next category is second category. See, first category is our subject knowledge, test of professional knowledge. Professional knowledge means our electrical knowledge, electrical domain. Okay, the subjects like networks, control systems, EDC, analog, electrical machines, power system, okay, power electronics, which is very important. Almost in the previous papers 7 to 10 questions came from power electronics itself, power electronics. Okay, in power electronics also which area is important, that also I'll tell you. Now next thing is test of general aptitude, test of reasoning 40 questions, test of quantitative aptitude 20 questions, test of Marathi language. Yes, so Marathi language test is also very important, so 20 questions. But if you see 40 plus 20 plus 20, 80 questions, total number of questions are 80. Yes, but number of marks are 40 only, means this aptitude and all they are giving for each question half mark, the total number of marks are 150, and you know the number of questions are total 130 questions, and the time is, this is number of questions and the time is 120 minutes only. Your time management is very important. Number of questions are Yes, 130 and time is 120 minutes. Time management is very, very, very important. But you do not have to worry. Why? Because questions are, though that fellow is giving only 50 questions from technical questions are damn easy. So it means just by looking at the question, you are in a position to take the answer. That kind of questions they will ask. Yes, and the tentative of examination will be in the month of August or September, he mentioned tentatively. Yeah, tentative date of online test will be on August or September 2024, right? So online application is not yet started. Once it starts, you can start applying for this post. Online application is not yet started. Yes, once it starts, you can apply for that one, right? So in this notification, very clearly it is mentioned how to apply, where to apply, how much is the fees. You see, for open category the fees is 750. For reserved category like SE, BC, EWS and Orphan it is 350. For the no fee is applicable. No fee is applicable. Okay, so these are the simple things. And written test. See, please note that candidates will not be permitted to appear for the online written test without the following documents. The important documents are valid call letter for the online examination, means your hall ticket, we can say call letter or hall ticket, color passport size photo, preferably the one uploaded in the application form, original photo ID proof of photocopy of the same ID proof. Okay, so he's asking original ID proof and photocopy, both. Don't carry only photocopy of it or only original, both you have to carry, right? Then yeah, so this is about the notification. Then when it comes to our important part, that is, let me discuss the very important part, that is for electrical. I am discussing about electrical. Yes, what are the important subjects for electrical and how to prepare. Yes, how to prepare, those things I am going to discuss. See, the very important subjects of electrical are, yes, first one is network analysis. Only basic knowledge, means see, the very good examination in India is GATE, means the one which tests your knowledge, tests your aptitude skill in engineering is GATE. For GATE, you have to prepare in depth, not the width. Means one topic you take, you prepare very in depth. But when it comes to MahaTransco, you have to prepare all the topics, but not that much depth as that of GATE examination. Here the students commit mistake. The students who prepare for GATE examination, they keep on revising the same notes again and again and again. But GATE is not going to cover the total syllabus of engineering, please. Okay, suppose if you go for DC machine, or if you go for network analysis itself, there are some topics like graph theory. You won't much concentrate on the definitions of the graph theory. Okay, you may be practicing some problems but not the definitions. And magnetic circuits, that is not that much important for GATE examination. In fact, GATE coaching centers also will not cover that much, but these kind of things are important for exams like MahaTransco or AP Transco or TG Transco. Okay, for these kind of examinations, these topics are very, very important. That's why we have to cover the entire syllabus, but not in depth. All the width must be covered. Network analysis, then control systems. But control systems from last papers, there are not many questions, one or none control systems. But from network analysis, very good number of questions are given. Next one is EDC and analog. So EDC means, don't think that you have to go very in depth, very basic level. EDC, yes, and analog, like characteristics of BJT, characteristics of diode, what is amplification mode, what is cutoff mode. So this kind of questions. Okay, basic characteristics, don't go in depth. The next one is I can say electrical measurements and instrumentation. Electrical measurements, yes, measurement and instrumentation. Yes, instrumentation, yes. From this one also you'll get definitely question. And the next is EMFT, only basics. Do not practice the problems of GATE. Okay, don't solve too many numericals. Simple questions you solve, simple questions. Next, the sixth topic is power electronics. You know, In 2017 MahaTransco paper, almost 7 to 8 questions are given on this topic, power electronics. That too from the first chapter, that is basics of power electronic devices, like SCR characteristics. Okay, from that topic 2 to 3 questions are given, power electronics, and from choppers and from inverters and from rectifiers. From every chapter one question came from the subject power electronics. That much importance they given in the last papers, power electronics. Yes. The next subject is a power system. Yes. Next is a power system, please. The next subject is power system. Yes. The next one is electrical machine, especially DC machine is very important. Electrical machine, in fact DC machine characteristics, electrical machine. Then I can go for, yes, utilization of electrical energy. Then the next one is electrical materials. Means, don't go this one also too much in depth. That fellow will ask, that fellow clearly will ask what is the dielectric strength of so and so material at NTP. Okay, this kind of questions will ask. This is the question asked in the previous 2017 paper, electrical paper. What is the dielectric strength of air at NTP? Okay, it is 30 kV per centimeter peak value or 21.1 kV per centimeter RMS value. So these kind of things, electrical materials. Okay, so these are the very some miscellaneous questions also can be asked, but this is the basic these are the basic subjects which you have to prepare definitely for your MahaTransco examination. And I told you, you must cover with all topics, you must cover, but not in depth. The depth is not required. So here one good news for you from YourPedia, that is I'm going to start live from that day after tomorrow. That is from, I can say today is 10, from 12th of July 2024 I'm starting live every day. Live I'm going to start for electrical students. I'm going to start with the subject networks for the first, and my way of teaching on live is I'll take some questions and we are going to study the concepts through questions. First I'll give some basics, then we solve questions. From the questions also we are going to get some concepts. So first I'm going to start with the subject network analysis for MahaTransco. See, I'm going to completely cover in the direction of your recruitment. Means in the direction of MahaTransco only, not in the direction of any other examination. If you have any queries regarding this MahaTransco examination or any subject preparation, then contact to this number, that is 89199999705. Contact to this number if you have any queries. Thank you.